Hello everyone. Now, welcome back. I hope you're fine. So, welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Let's go. We are now on question 4, prelim paper. How thing. Now, these are reactions. So, most organic compounds can undergo different reactions to produce variety of compounds. Some incomplete reactions are represented. Now, from what I can see here, let's start here. I have the propene. You also go to this word in there. It is what? It means what this one, it is what? It has the double bond between the carbon atoms. But now, they added what? HBr. They added this compound. You understand? Now, from here to there, it is what? Addition reaction. So they added this compound to the double bond. So basically, when you're adding a compound to a double bond, you are breaking the double bond. That's why now the product, it is what? 2-bromopropane. This word ANE tells me that this is what? A straight chain alkane. Yeah, understand? You must be careful with the last words there. Yeah, manch. And then now, this one was what? Propane only. It was simply what? Propane. It had 1, 2, 3, and this one with your hydrogens. But they also added what? This HBr. That's why now it will be what? 2-bromopropane. It is the same straight chain alkane, but now they are no longer hydrogens only. There is what? The bromine present in the carbon atoms, but now it is in position 2. I understand? They added it. You see, this one, it is what? Heat reaction because of this thing. Now you're gonna just analyze your things in here. Now, this one, it is what? Propene, but it is what? Hydrogenation. Yeah, but hydrogen. So they added what? Hydrogen to what? To this compound, which is propene, the double bond. So it is what? Also addition reaction. Yeah, but they also added what? This thing to a propene, which is the double bond. So they broke the double bond. Now that's why you have what? Propane. Now it is what? In. Same number of carbon atoms, but now it is what? In. Because remember, hydrogen is a diatomic whatever. So when you're gonna add 2 hydrogens, it is gonna be what? Straight chain alkane. Now you are moving from what? 2-bromopropane to what? To alcohol. You see? Now it is what? Hydrolysis, because now you're forming what? An alcohol. That's how you just check your questions there. Now you had a double bond, which is what? Propene, by seeing what? In there. That's why now it is what? Addition reaction. You broke the double bond to have this compound. Here at the same time, it is what? Hydrogenation. You added what? Hydrogen to this double bond alkene. And then that's why it is what? Propane there, because it broke the double bond. You see, that's how we interpret the questions. Before wasting time, let's go to question 4.1. Consider reaction A, which is this one now, from this alcohol. Write down the types or the type of reaction that takes place. Now we are forming what? We are forming a double bond. Remember, alcohol, it can be what? It has what? OH there. But now it is what? What reaction is that? Now, when you are forming an alkene, you are removing hydrogens and maybe some other elements there, because remember, a double bond, it must be like this. I understand. So it is going to limit the number of hydrogens that are there in what? In a carbon atom. Because now check 1, 2, 3, 4. You see now it is now 4. It is now chai. So now you're not gonna have an hydrogen here and there. So now basically, when you're forming an alkene, you are now limiting the number of hydrogens present in the carbon atom. So now when you are now forming an alkene, because basically you're forming an alkene there, the direction is going to be what? Elimination. Now when you don't just write elimination, but what type of elimination reaction? Dehydration. Yeah, man. They removed what? Water. Yeah, man. because hydrogen has got it is in a man's one. So they removed that water, the hydration. You understand? That's how it works. So now let's go to the next question. Define hydration reaction, because they're saying reaction B, which is this one, it represents what? Hydration. So now hydration, it is what? The addition of water to a compound. So you do what? You add water to a compound. Is it fine there, guys? Now they're saying write down the name or formula of the catalyst used for this reaction, which is B. So now you know the catalyst which is common, it is what? Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It is the one that can be used. Is it fine? Or the phosphoric acid. Let's go to this next question. During reaction C, a specific rule is followed to determine the major product when HBr is added. So where is C? It is this one, okay? Write down the two conditions for this reaction. So now, I'm not gonna speak too much about what the conditions, because you must know these things now. It is what? Addition. So now, the first one can be what? No water. And then the second one, it can be what? Let me think. Wait, what kind of reaction is this? It is addition, right? So now you can say what? Concentrated strong acid. So you can say what? Concentrated. You can use concentrated strong acid. All right. Let's go to the next question. 4.3.2. Use structural formula to write down the balanced equation for this reaction. Nice. Very, very, very nice. So now I'm gonna draw it here. Let me just bring everything closer here so that you can see what I'm gonna do here. Now, what do I have? I have propene. So now prop has what? 3 carbon atoms. So now the position of the double bond, it is gonna be where? In the second atom. In the second carbon atom. Do you know I'm saying that? Check what they formed. 2 bromo. So now the bromine will take the position of the double bond after adding what? HBr. You see now. Now let me put my H there. Propene, H. Mara, this one is gonna be what? H here and what? H there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. It is already limited. So let me put the last one here. Is it fine now? Now let's add H and then Br there, because they added now. They're trying to break the double bond, because now when you are gonna break the double bond, this bond line will go out, and then so that you can have what? You can accommodate what? H here, Br here. You understand? So that each carbon atom have what? The 4 bond lines. Now what is it gonna give you? The bromine will take the position of the what? Of the double bond. So I'll have my H there. 1, 2, 3. So I will write my H there. Now here I'm gonna have what? My H also. But now where there is the second carbon atom, it is gonna be what? It is gonna be the bromine that I was telling you about, because it took the position of what? Of the double bond, because the double bond was where? In the second carbon atom. And then H there, Pezulu, H there, Pansi, and then what? H. You see? That is how you do it. The balanced equation for this thing here. Is it fine now? Let's go. Now, I'm done with this question. We did it. Now, identify the type of fraction at D. Where is D? Oh, it is this one. Now, this one, it is ane. It is the same straight chain alkane. So for this one, it is simply what? Substitution. substitution, whatever, substitution what reaction. Because what did they do? In place of, I need to add propane like this, which is like something like you have H, whatever H there, as you can see, and it because you have 3 carbon atoms. But what did they do? They added a HBr there. You understand? So they basically substituted, where there is H, they put what Br. That's why it is what substitution reaction. Let's go to F. F, it is from a homoalkane to alcohol. So this one, it is basically what substitution. But what this is what hydrolysis. Yeah, how easy it is. 4.5. Reaction E, it is what hydrogenation reaction, the addition of what hydrogen. So write down the 2 reaction conditions. Oh my god, 3 marks. You know them most. Now 4.5, write down the 2 reaction conditions for what, for this thing. So now you can do what simple thing, no water. The second one, it is what you can add what maybe a catalyst. So now I will choose this one. I will choose what platinum as a catalyst there. So this one, you can just simply use a textbook and get the answers, because I don't want to talk too much. So the reaction is widely used in the industries. Which reaction? E, addition of hydrogen from an alkene. Okay. The reaction is widely used in the industries. Name one of the uses in the hydrogenation in the food industry. Wow, this question, yeah, it wants you to think outside the box now. So basically the answer for this one now, it is what you can write production of margarine, production of margarine or whatever. I remember seeing this in one of my textbooks there. Yeah, these questions, I hate them, those last questions. But now you see what, it is very easy to do these questions. Now that's how we kill these questions, guys. Thank you very much. So you're gonna do question 5 next time. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you.